This is how to change the ringtone sound on your Android phone. Go to the settings on your Android phone and then look for sound and vibration settings. And here you can adjust the ring volume, but you can also change the ringtone. Under sound and vibration, I can have different ringtones for multiple eSIM or SIM card. So for example, for SIM 1, that's the default Xperia sound. You can change that. I tap again on the ringtone and you see there is a add ringtone button. Tap on this. I navigate to the folder where I have the audio files. You need to have the audio files downloaded before that. And these are just two files, and I have one for the tone, just a notification, a small file, short sound, and then another one that's the ringtone. So I tap on the ringtone and now you see the option is here. I will choose now the ringtone I added. Press OK and it's saved here. My song 5, it's saved. This is a song from the YouTube music library, shortened to 30 seconds. The ringtone should be 30 seconds or less in general. And that's how you change the ringtone on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.